Hi, it's Carrie Lee Creations, and I'm back with another spreadsheet for weight loss. This is my weight loss tracker. In this one, you will fill in all of the green areas. That's the goal here, is to just stick to the green. Green means good. So we'll just make up a starting weight. Say you weigh 250 and you want to get down to 190. So that means you have 60 pounds to lose, which is 24% of your current body weight. And then down here, I set all the mini goals from 5 to 50. So since you only need to lose 60, you only need to lose less than 25%. Now, to figure out your target dates, we'll go over here first. I'm going to put in my starting date. We'll say it was last week. And then we're going to weigh in weekly after that. My goal, they say that it's best to lose about 2 pounds a week. So my goal is going to be 2 pounds every single week. So I'm just going to carry that down. Right now I'm at 40, 58, one more. Okay, so there's my 60 pounds. By losing 2 pounds a week, see I have up here 60 pounds total. If we stuck to that, we could be done by April, which is not bad. But if you know during Thanksgiving that you may not lose anything, you may want to delete that. Maybe around Christmas time. And then maybe you really want to get focused in January. So we'll just say we'll start, doing the first 2 weeks of the month, 2 or 3 weeks, we'll do 3 pounds each. So there we're already at 61, so I'll delete this. So with this plan, we could be done before April. So we'll just say this is the plan. I'll just fill these in with zeros. Okay. So this shows you your cumulative goal, see, of losing 60 pounds. And then the difference is between your goal and your actual. So now we're going to, we saw what our target date was. So we're going to say our target date, let's see, to lose 12.5 pounds. We'll just look here. We'll lose 12 pounds by this date. We'll say we'll lose it by October 10th. October 20th. And then if you keep following this, you'll see that by maybe 12/15 we could lose our 25, and you just continue to do that. You just look at the dates that coincide with the amount you're trying to lose. So 37.5, we could probably have that done by 125. And you don't need to fill these all in. You can wait until you lose your 5% and then figure out a target date of your 10%. Just make sure it's realistic. Okay, so now we're going to do that. And now this is where it kind of gets fun. Let's say we lost our weight was 246. We lost 4 pounds. Now this shows you that your lost goal was 2. You actually lost 4. So you're down 2 pounds more than you expected. So you have a little motivator that says, yay, you lost more than expected this week. See, your goal and your actual cumulative, you're down 2 pounds. Now we'll do the same thing here. We'll do 245. We'll just lose 1 pound. See, this week, there's just a little motivator to tell you try harder next week. It's a fun little spreadsheet to get your goals planned out and keep track of them every week. If you've already got the measurement tracker, you could always combine the two. You just do that by, you can copy this, create a copy, and then your other workbooks will be here, and then you just say okay. I actually have one that I call my health tracker, where I have all my trackers in one place as I create them. But I guess that's it. If you have any questions or need help, just let me know. Thank you.